everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Liberty Bank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in the URL www.liberty-bank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page for Liberty Bank. Liberty Bank is a financial institution that provides banking and financial services to individuals, businesses, and organizations. To log in and manage your account online right from your computer or mobile devices, you can simply log in by entering your username and password in the text boxes appearing on the right hand side. If you have not enrolled into online banking yet, click on the Enroll Now link and follow through the sign up process. Once you sign up for an account, you'll need to type in the username and password to log in and access your account. Enter the username that you created while signing up for your online banking account, and on the next field, type in your password correctly as well. If you don't remember these credentials during logging in, you can click on the Forgot Username or the Forgot Password link. After typing it correct, click the Login button and you'll be able to end up in the main homepage of your Liberty Bank online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.